A question has come to me asking if I were to meet Jesus, what should I do? This is a typical devotional question, as most of the devotees believe that they are at the cusp of meeting God and they want to prepare themselves in order to meet their God. My answer to this question can be painful, but since you have asked me this question, I believe that you want to know the truth even at the cost of your comfort. A devotional person never ever meets Jesus. Only a scientific person, only a person who has taken Bible seriously or the teachings of Jesus seriously can meet Jesus. In Greek mythology, there was a character called Ixion. Ixion was a slayer and he fell in love with Hera. Zeus, the supreme god of Greek mythology, did not punish Ixion by killing him, but he rather created a cloud which looked like Hera. This cloud was called Nephele. And till this moment, Ixion is in arms of this cloud, assuming as if he was with Hera. Such hallucination can be seen in devotion. Jesus and Judas themselves said that the followers of Jesus were nothing but stupid people. What was the reason behind that? The reason can be found in a myth of the Last Supper. In the Last Supper, Jesus offered bread and wine to his followers, saying that this is not the bread but my flesh, and this is not the wine but my blood. Consume it. It is very difficult to take this proposition. How can you eat your own God? How can you eat your own friend? But the teaching of Jesus was something different. He wanted to say that do not follow me, but rather consume me within yourself and become me. So Jesus is not the goal to achieve, but Jesus is the pattern to live. Jesus is the person to become. You have to let Jesus enter you and consummate you. This is what Jesus wanted to tell you. If you ever want to become Jesus, then the question becomes, how do I become Jesus and get close to him? And to answer this, you need to understand John the Baptist in a much scientific manner. John the Baptist was cousin of Jesus, and he has been venerated in all the religions, including Islam, Baha'i, Christianity, everywhere. He is called Yahya, and this word Yahya is quite similar to Yayati of Sanatan Dharma. Yayati and Yahya are symbol of basic instincts. Yayati had two wives, Devyani and Sarmishta, depicting good and bad. These basic instincts consummate good and bad with equal passion. They do not differentiate. These basic instincts are nothing but your inclination and instinct to sleep, eat, drink, and mate. These four instincts have no wisdom to differentiate between good and bad. Bible itself strengthens the view when it describes John the Baptist. Bible says that John lived in jungles. He was raw. He wore camel skin, used to live in forests, and one typical statement has been made about John. It is said that John could eat locusts and wild honey with equal passion. Eating locust is disgusting, and in 1st century AD nobody ate that. Everybody knew how to cook food. So the example of locust and wild honey is similar to Devyani and Sarmishta, depicting that basic instincts cannot differentiate between good and bad. It just consummates. Your road to Jesus can only go through John, and you have to understand John very, very well. John was the Baptist. He was the cleanser. He used to baptize people in the river of Jordan. And he always thought that somebody is going to come as the bigger prophet, a bigger Messiah than he could himself be. This is approximation of truth. This is something like Hanuman. John had a glimpse of Jesus once when he baptized him. Then Jesus left him, and many of the followers of John also left with him. John did not see Jesus after that. He was arrested by Herod Antipas. This word Antipas is very typical and needs to be understood. Antipas is something like restriction. Herod Antipas was the restriction of John. He had arrested John. Herod Antipas can be compared to mind and the dualism which are restricting John to become Jesus. It is said that daughter of Herod Antipas was the reason of John's death. John's death is symbolic in nature. The beheading can be compared to beheadings of Ravan and beheadings of Dronacharya. Unless and until you behead your mindfulness, the Jesus cannot enter within you. You have to understand it very, very scientifically. And your road to Jesus can only go through John. John is the basic instinct which you need to converge into becoming of Jesus. You will not meet Jesus, but I am sincerely hopeful that you will let Jesus enter within you and manifest himself within you so that you yourself become Jesus in the time to come. Do not take it devotionally. Devotion is the biggest hallucination. It is the daughter of Herod Antipas. It will dance beautifully. It will make you live in that hallucination like Ixion of Greek mythology. My sincere request is to take Bible scientifically, understand the meaning of the teachings that Jesus made. They may look irrational. The statement that consume this bread as my flesh and consume this wine as my blood looks irrational. But this is the key of the teaching. You have to let Jesus enter you, manifest himself within you, and make you Jesus. Enough for today. Thank you.